This is my Traxxas 4-Tec, the 2.0, and it has the GT body on there that I painted. I love the paint job. It's kind of fun. And we're running all stock right now with the Velineon system. Only thing I've done is added the front sway bar and the rear sway bar. Pretty easy install. You take these links off, you move your shocks out of the way, this drops in, bolts right onto the arm. There's actually places on the arm where it goes, and everything fits well. So hopefully I put them on right and they do the job, help me corner. Today we're out at the casino, and due to coronavirus, this place is freaking closed. So lots of space, and what are the odds I still hit one of these posts? Pretty good. See if that cop is coming over here to bug me. We were here yesterday. We weren't causing any trouble, so hopefully they're cool with us.